part of today is we're going to be going IG live around 2 p.m., which is in 15 minutes. We also have a call at the same time, so we'll see what happens. One of us will probably take the call and then hop on to the IG live. After that, we have a workout at 3 p.m., which is going to be really cool. And then we have an event that we're actually going to attend. I believe, what time is it at?
From 6 to 9.
So come with us as we go to the next steps.
Thank God for this amazing view, this amazing day.
We average anywhere between 35, probably around 3,500 reach outs per month for our particular business when it comes to LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram.
That's quite a load.
Yeah, because typically when you break down the numbers, it really depends on your goals and how many clients you want to bring in.
I'm thinking we're interviewing another company right now as well, and they do it quite a bit differently. But I think you've got a really unique approach.
Yeah.
I like the live. I like not using the automation.
Yeah, I mean, it makes all the difference in the world. Like now, through all the noise that's going on through the digital realm, there's so many automations out there and people are getting annoyed by them. So when we come in with that personalized touch, it's like, it's the littlest things that make the biggest difference. Every time we get on a call, right, a lot of people are like, you know what, I get hundreds of messages, but I'm on this call here because you guys were personal. You guys showed me that you were real.
Tell you, why don't you circle back to me the first week in December?
Okay, sounds perfect. He seemed like a good guy. He has a big business, so yeah, it looks nice. Let's go see the IG live.
We're definitely excited that we're here. The one and only Vanessa Black. I just want to introduce my baby. She's back from a call, y'all.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Looking to gift people, you know, living in Houston, Texas. That's awesome. We're in Austin.
What's it called?
Red Zone.
The red zone. The red zone is where literally you want to have people make decisions. Yes, I want to work with you. No, I don't want to work with you. Go back into your entire list of people that you've connected with earlier in the month or even previously in months before and just follow up with them. You know, I know we spoke back in the beginning. You know, are you ready to get started? Yes or no? Let's make something happen. We can't wait till next time and we'll see you. It was good.
Yeah, it was really good. I think just doing the live, I think it's a different type of connection than we normally do. And not only that, but I think new people actually see where we're coming from, because sometimes from a post or even from a video, you can't really connect with somebody in real time. So in live, you actually see like how they are, how they actually think, how they actually interact with people. So it's a great experience. Let's say in 30 minutes we have to go work out, and I feel like he's really gonna squeeze everything out of us. So get ready, y'all. It's gonna be intense.
Intro. What kind of intro you got for me? Drum roll.
Come on.
I thought we were.
Alright, go ahead.
I would. Oh, you're not gonna introduce me? Oh
Now
man.
I'm like camera shy. Okay. Hey guys, so this is the #1 trainer, not only in Austin, but of all of Texas, all over the world, I think, right?
Oh, make my heart smile.
So he's the owner of Sweat. Let's see, turn around. Sweat Athletics here. So if you guys are looking for an awesome gym, definitely head to Sweat Athletics with them. They're awesome. So we are actually 5 months, we're 5 months in?
5 months in.
We're 5 months in, going strong, and he's been awesome. So you're gonna be able to check out a little workout with us.
Sweat Athletics. Instagram handle, SweatATX. Follow us. Follow me. Get the job done. Boom!
That was awesome. It's always really good. And it like resets your day. If you can survive one of Sweat's workouts, you can tackle any call, any appointment, anybody.
Later.
So if you take a look over there, Vanessa's actually taking a huge call right now. We literally just got done with an hour workout and we're just getting ready to actually go to another event that we have. But Vanessa's actually on a call right now where literally she's talking to a 7-time New York Times author, like big time guy that has like 250 employees, like a big time opportunity type of thing, right? So where I'm coming with this is like you have to be flexible with your time and you have to allow opportunities to come, because literally this guy, he has rescheduled many times, right? But in order for this call to happen, we had to be on our toes and we had to be able to change out our schedule or even allow the opportunity to hit our schedule in the time that we're able to take that. So in order for you to actually receive what it is that you want, you can't just like fight against it all the time. And that's an opportunity in its own, because a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of business owners, they're like, I want more calls, I need to get more clients, I need to get more appointments, but they're not open to switching out their schedule. It's not all about you. You have to make yourself available to other people so they can understand how you can be of best service to them. So next time you consider, should I make this call? Should I make this happen? Should I, break my schedule up a little just to make this call happen? Do it, because it could be a life-changing moment for you. We're gonna go to the first annual Mega Product Happy Hour, sponsored by HEB and Favor, which is gonna be at the new Tech Hub on E6. Yes, complimentary food and drinks.
Are you excited? Are you excited knowing that now?
I'm a lightweight, so I'm excited to go check it out. See what happens.
It was awesome. It was a great event. There's a lot of cool people. And
I think this is the type of event that, it's really well organized. Like when you're very niche specific, all of them are product managers. It's not like come and hang out and do whatever.
yeah, there's free drinks, there's free food, whatever. But at the end of the day, there is a purpose, and I think that's what makes, and also the environment. Like this facility is on point.
Yeah, for sure.
They
And
did
we
a great
learned what a
job.
product manager does.
So if you are a product manager looking to be part of an amazing team here in downtown Austin and just expand worldwide,
Let us know.
let us know, DM.
Careers at IVleads.com. Send a 1-minute video. Bye.